Stop wasting energy on things that you have zero power to control. Every second wasted caring about other people is time that's stolen away from you. The outside world is just noise. Your existence is the only thing that should matter to you. Pull back your power from the outside world and lock it into yourself. You cannot control other people. You can only control yourself. Stop focusing on people who don't matter and start focusing on yourself. The life that you always dreamed of requires 100% of your attention. Let the outside world do what it does. You just rule your world. Disconnect from the external drama and reinvest entirely into your mind. You are the only person who can change your life. Stop looking outward and start looking inward. You cannot change the people around you, but you can change yourself. When you focus 24/7 on yourself is when you build your empire. Do you want to build your empire today? Leave that in the comments below. And if you're ready to start focusing on yourself 24/7, hit that subscribe button right now.